Noise pollution. So, sound is the mechanical energy from vibrating source. Unpleasant sound and unwanted sound is known as noise. Sound can be measured in two units. We can measure the frequency of sound by calculating the number of compressions, that is, whenever sound waves come close to each other, and rarefaction, when sound waves move apart. So, number of these compression and rarefaction in unit time can be calculated, and this is known as frequency. Unit of frequency is hertz. Sound can also be measured in terms of decibel. Decibel gives us an idea about the loudness of sound. So decibel unit can be calculated by using the parameter that is known as sound pressure level formula. In sound pressure level formula, we use logarithmic equation and thereby we calculate the sound pressure by comparing it with reference pressure. So according to the loudness of sound, that means decibel scale, we can analyze that sound loudness of a rusting leaf is very low, just 10 decibel. But on the other hand, if we consider a diesel truck, any vehicle, they emit a large amount of sound around 90 decibel. Moreover, loudness of sound is extremely high when we consider a jet plane. Jet plane, it has a loudness of 140 decibel. So there is a threshold unit, or we can say threshold unit of 130 decibel, beyond which a person will lose the ability to hear completely. Source of noise pollution are, first is a mode of transportation. So vehicle, railway, aeroplane all emit large amount of noise. Other sources are industrial operation, construction activities, ceremony, for example, social function, religious function, or election campaign, etc. Noise pollution can interfere with communication. A person who is exposed to noise can permanently lose the ability to hear properly. Sometimes this is a temporary hearing disorder. That means for a short time the person is unable to hear, and when the source of sound is removed, then person return back to its normal state. But at times, if a person is exposed to high level of noise for a long period of time, then he or she may lose the ability to hear permanently. Apart from this, high noise pollution can lead to hypertension, insomnia, digestive disorder, behavioral changes, etc. So noise pollution is especially very high during Diwali. Though Diwali is a festival of light, but during the Diwali, we also notice high level of noise pollution. To control Diwali noise pollution, Rule 89 has been added in Environmental Protection Act of 1986. And according to this rule, manufacture and sale of firecrackers which generate noise more than 125 decibel is strictly prohibited. Second, there is a prohibition of burning firecrackers in silent zone. For example, hospitals, educational institute, etc. Plus, firecracker are allowed to be burned only between 6 p.m. to 10 p.m.